Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Today, let's unbox the 2024 Huawei eKit style product, AP361, and see what makes it special. You can see that the packaging is quite simple, and here on the front, we can find the QR code of the Huawei eKit app. Okay, there are three things in this box: the AP361 itself, a user manual, and a metal mounting kit. This is the AP361. You can see it is very sleek, with all parts seamlessly built in on the side, and it is really smooth to the touch. The simple white body can match most interior decoration styles. It's about 450 grams, lighter than a bottle of water, and sleek enough to fit just about anywhere. You see here? The AP361 has just one network cable port, because it supports power over Ethernet and requires no external power supply. Now, we know how it looks. How about its features and functions? Let's take a look. For an AP, the bandwidth rate is what users are most interested in. Equipped with unique, mature Huawei Wi-Fi algorithms, the AP361 provides a rate of about 1800 megabits per second. This means that a user can download a 1 gigabit file in just 9 seconds. In addition to the high bandwidth, the AP361 also provides high stability. For example, in an office with 30 office workers, there is no pressure on 80 devices to connect. The AP361 can support a maximum of 256 concurrent clients. Even when fully loaded, its rate is stable at 800 to 900 megabits per second. Under the same circumstances, the rate of a similar product in the industry is about 500 to 600 megabits per second. The latency of the AP361 is only about 10 milliseconds, 50% lower than most similar products in the industry. This means during live broadcast activities of merchant users, there won't be any video freezing. In addition to the ultra-low latency, the coverage radius of the AP361 can reach 10 meters. This means that only one AP needs to be deployed every 20 meters. The wide coverage and strong penetration capability of AP361 signals make sure there are no disconnections, even over long distances. Also, as a user moves, the signals move with them. The average power consumption of the AP361 is 10% lower than similar products in the industry. This makes it more low carbon and eco-friendly choice. Let's see what's in this installation package. These metal mounting parts are hard and secure. Similar products in the industry usually use plastic ones, which age easily and may even cause the AP parts to fall off. Installation of the AP361 involves just 3 screws, while similar products in the industry usually need 4. This cuts installation time by 25%. Traditional networking is complex and needs to be configured by dedicated personnel. That's no longer the case with the AP361, as it supports one-click deployment by scanning the QR code on the Huawei eKit app. It doesn't matter how technical you are. All it takes for you to complete service deployment is a mobile phone. Now, I'd like to show you the one-click deployment feature. Okay, the device is powered on. We open the Huawei eKit app. Go to the service section from the home page and tap Deploy Now. Then, we select the SME network. We can see there are 2 deployment modes: Wi-Fi deployment and deployment by scanning the QR code. We choose deployment by scanning the QR code, enter the project name, and scan the QR code on the back of the device. In just 2 minutes, it will go online. With all these amazing features, the AP361 sells for the price of a simple meal. If you're interested, just download the Huawei eKit app for more information. That's all for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, I'm Sam. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.